What the Jesus Christ, birds. Damn. Looks like the early bird really does get the worm. Ah, you dirty girl. No bird poop on the window. Good. Hello everyone, it's JD here and we are so early today. I have not woken up before 8 o'clock for quite a while. I actually haven't really had much of a reason to since COVID-19 started. So this really tells that we're going to have a productive day. We are in the Skyline again, and this time we are taking the Skyline to go and get a certain checkup for an issue that I've been having. I did do a test of it and I will show you the test run now. So it turns fine. And as you see, I'm putting the wheel straight, dead straight, and it's going to the left a little bit. I mean, it's going to the right a little bit. So now, if I go here, and see, look, still going straight, and it's veering to the right. So that's another issue. As you see, wheel is straight, it just keeps veering to the left. As you can see, it's weird, because now I've got the wheel completely straight, but I know that the wheels are going to be slightly to the left. So it's a weird thing. It's just really confusing, and I don't know what it could be. So I'm going to take it to get it looked at by a professional to figure it out for good, but I am bracing myself. It's probably going to be expensive, and it is a good essential thing to spend money on because I don't want this car to break on me while I'm driving. But anyway, now that you guys are up to speed, basically we are going to get the steering rack or the intermediate shaft looked at because there is a lot of play in the steering wheel and it is probably going to be an expensive issue, but I have a bit of knowledge on what the issue is. I've talked to a few people and know the gist of what could have happened, and hopefully it won't be what I think it is. I need some tunes. Alrighty. Such a nice morning. This is definitely a YouTuber's worst nightmare. You're recording right next to a road where there are plenty of cars. You're wearing a mask which muffles your voice. There is going to be a lot of wind noises right now. Anyway, basically, I'm going to go down and grab breakfast because I am a bit hungry. It is way too early for me to function, but as you just saw, I have dropped the Skyline off. If the steering rack gets fixed, then that means that my steering will be better. I can get a proper wheel alignment, and then when I get new wheels at some point, something that's in a better condition than the Sparker racing ones are, then the car will be running perfect. So let's go on a quick Maccas run and I will pick it up from there. These ones kind of look like they were freshly imported. That's pretty cool. That's like a whole collection of cubes. Look at that. It's like a Rubik's Cube. So guys, I've gotten the call back from Petters and they have given me the good news. So basically, the steering rack is fine. The bushes were worn and also one of the tie rods is also a bit bent and warped. So it's not going to come out to as expensive as I thought. It's still quite hefty, but I have the budget to do that. Plus then also prepare for my next thing which I need to do, which is get my wheels straightened and fixed. So I'm going to get the car back today and I'm going to show you how it feels now, and then fingers crossed they can do the alignment as well, because I'm pretty sure they said that they can do an alignment and all that on it, and then we're all mint. The car's going to be running again and it's going to be in working order. So guys, we are back in the Skyline and it is the end of the day now, and oh boy, my steering wheel feels so much better now. It feels like, of course, like it's on an angle now because the car was parked, but it's going right back to where it should be. And the moment of truth is we're going to test drive it and see if it's any better now. I also still need to adjust my handbrake still. Look at that. It's going straight. Oh my god. Woo! Alrighty. It's actually pretty straight. What the hell? Jesus, I need that. There we go. Like, of course, like, it does pull a little bit, but it does feel good. And the steering wheel doesn't feel like it's vibrating anymore. It actually, that's one thing that I also had an issue with vibration. So I'm really happy with what Petters have done. They've managed to fix up my steering issue, and it's making it a lot easier for me to daily the Skyline. So now I can actually enjoy the drive and not feel like the car's going to fall apart at any minute. Now, the next up for the Skyline, I'm going to be saving up to get some paint done. We're going to be doing some clear coat for the bonnet because the bonnet's going to need a lot of it. There's also a few scratches and stuff, as you can see, and I also need to fix up this, as you can see as well. I've got a lot of different scratches and stuff, so there's a fair bit of paint work to do. I'm probably going to get it touched up, and then I will make sure the paint is immaculate. But until then, I've got something to show you guys as well. This is the first stage of me moving house. So this is my new room, and we're getting downlights put in as well. So that's pretty cool. And this is where my new desk is going to be, and I'm going to set up my gaming setup, and I'm also going to set up a streaming setup over here. I'm going to have a TV right here, so that's going to be where I'm going to be playing most of my video games. And of course, my sleeping quarters are going to be over here as well. So this is going to be pretty cool. I'm definitely very excited to move and start over with my whole setup, and definitely get into something a lot better so I can make more content. So guys, there you have it. The car is fixed. We are at the new place, and I'm on my way to my other house so that I can go and chill and edit this video. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. But now you know what's in store. Updates for the new room and the Skyline will be on my channel. If you want to keep up to date with that, please subscribe. If you found this video interesting, you can click that like button. There will be more content to come, especially one with a special little addition that I'm adding to the Skyline and the Sparko wheels. So yeah, if you want to stay up to date with that, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.